you would have gotten more Cheez-It flavor if you actually had like a bag of Cheez-Its.
Oh, like mixed in?
And mixed it in with
Cheez-It Nachos?
Yeah.
Can that be our next video? We make Cheez-It Nachos? Hola, senors and senoras. Today we're gonna make Cheez-It Nachos. Step number 1, grease your pan. Give it a nice, generous spritz. And I just kind of like to spread it around.
Achoo! Bless you!
Number 2, chips.
What are you doing?
I don't know, I'm spreading it out.
Perfect!
Number 3, beef, I guess. We got some pre-cooked beef with onions. It's half a pound. You think we need more? I guess just a healthy amount of this shit. For best results, pre-wash your shredded cheese. We'll see what happens. To help the meltability. Alright, I'm popping this in.
It's time for the oven.
We're back. We're basically making Cheez-It Nachos.
Yeah.
And seeing if it works.
Timer's ready.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, hell.
Just got a melty. On this episode of Will It Nacho?
Here.
Betrayed.
Oh, fuck.
What do you think, Marcus?
I think it's pretty good.
It's pretty good. The worry is, will the Cheez-It chip kind of dissolve and disintegrate?
Like the big Cheez-It from Taco Bell.
And I don't think that happened here.
Oh.
It did get a little softer.
Yeah. But I think that happened with tortilla chips anyway.
Yeah. I don't know what Cheez-It Taco Bell is using. Is it even really a Cheez-It?
Yeah, I don't know.
You guys are gonna have to watch our last video to find out the real inspiration to this creation.
It's different in a good way, I'd say. Definitely a different variety, and it gets that extra cheesiness.
When you first mentioned it, I thought you meant like regular Cheez-Its.
Oh.
Little square ones.
You know, I think that's what I thought, and then I'm just like, how would we pick that up? So, and then when I realized they have Cheez-It chips, I was like, oh, this would be perfect.
Cheez-It Snaps, the chip-like ones, I think it's the way to go for nachos.
Cheez-It, please sponsor us.
Oh, that's all I got. I don't really.
Yeah, try it at home, kids.
Boppy seal of approval.